That's the sound of work getting done. Introducing the FlexZilla series of blowguns and accessories. It all starts with ergonomically designed air gun bodies built with pro-grade features. Constructed of lightweight but durable aircraft-grade aluminum. Ported design delivers maximum airflow. And the variable flow trigger gives you precise control. FlexZilla blowguns use silicone-free lubricant, virtually eliminating contamination of painted surfaces. Add a wide variety of nozzles, tips, and extensions to customize your FlexZilla blowgun for any job. All FlexZilla safety nozzles meet or exceed OSHA standards for pressure relief. And our Quiet Flow safety nozzle goes one step further to also meet noise standards. The Extreme Flow and Tri-Thrust safety nozzles are both designed to amplify airflow. Our rubber tip won't mar surfaces and delivers a concentrated flow of air for blowing out hoses and lines and other general uses. A 5-piece tip adapter kit is also available. Our modular accessory system lets you combine either 12-inch or 6-inch extensions for hard-to-reach areas up to 6 feet away. Our extensions hand-tighten securely with built-in O-rings and break down just as quickly for easy storage and transport. No more having to figure out where to store a long extension. With the chip guard installed, you are protected from debris blowback. Using FlexZilla Pro air hose and high flow fittings with twice the airflow of standard couplers and plugs gets the most out of this air system. Move more air in your garage and shop with FlexZilla blowguns and accessories.